Race number 1, Santana Park, and thereof, early lead is taken by Go Topless from the outside. It's Go Topless in the lead, followed by Queen Star in between horses, and Batang Tundo, Hail Star, Classical Jade. At the mid-back stretch, it's Queen Star in the lead, followed by Batang Tundo, and Go Topless running in third on the outside, Hail Star, Classical Jade. Nearing the far turn, Queen Star by a length and a half, followed by Batang Tundo by the rail. On the outside is Go Topless, and closing in fourth is Hail Star and Classical Jade. Rounding the far turn, Queen Star by 2.5 lengths, followed by Batang Tundo. It's still Queen Star in the lead, followed by Go Topless on the outside, Hail Star on the farther outside, and Batang Tundo by the rail. The last bend for home, it is still Queen Star by a length, followed by Go Topless on the outside, and Hail Star on the farther outside, and Batang Tundo by the rail. The top of the stretch, Queen Star in the lead, and Go Topless now moving up on the outside. It is now Go Topless in the lead, followed by Queen Star, Hail Star on the farther outside, and into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line. It is still Go Topless in the lead, and finally, the horse of Sir Puts Puyat, Go Topless, Hail Star, Queen Star, Batang Tundo, and Classical Jade.
Okay, crossing the wire first, only the